Good morning. Are you tired of saying the same greeting every day? In this video, you'll learn many fun, friendly, and natural ways to say good morning in English. Let's make your mornings more exciting, one greeting at a time. Common and creative ways to say good morning. Good morning. Morning. Hello there. How are you this fine morning? How is your morning going so far? Isn't it a beautiful day today? What a pleasant morning we are having. Rise and shine. Top of the morning to you. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Look alive. Good morning, sleepyhead. Wishing you the best for the day ahead. Have a great day. Good day to you. Informal and casual good morning greetings. Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. Heya, sleepyhead, time to get up. What's cookin', good lookin'? What's crackin' this morning? What's shakin', bacon? Hey there, gorgeous, or hey there, handsome. You're up bright and early. Romantic and cute good morning messages. Good morning, my love. I hope you slept well and are ready to take on the world. Rise and shine, my lovely. The sun is up, so it's time to start a new day of adventure together. Morning is always beautiful when I know that I have you by my side. Have an amazing morning, my love. Good morning, beautiful. I hope you have a wonderful day and feel the same level of joy that I'm feeling right now. Wake up, sleepyhead. You have me to cuddle with today, so let's get this day started together. I love you in the morning, in the middle of the day, in the hours we are together, and when we are apart. Good morning to my one true love. Start each day with a smile on your face and the thought that something wonderful is about to happen. Good morning, darling. Polite and formal good morning greetings. I hope you have a pleasant day. I wish you a productive morning. May your day be filled with joy and success. Good morning and blessings to you. Have a fantastic day ahead. May your morning be filled with good luck. Good day to you. Professional good morning greetings. In emails. Good morning. I hope this email finds you well. I hope you're having a great start to your day. Wishing you a productive and successful day ahead. I trust you had a good night's rest and are ready for the day ahead. On the phone. Good morning. This is Jim. How can I help you? Thank you for calling. What can I do for you today? It's nice to hear from you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's great to hear from you. In meetings. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending this meeting. I'm looking forward to our discussion. I hope you all have a productive day. It's great to see everyone here today. Let's get started with our agenda. Let's get to work and make the most of this meeting. I'm excited to hear everyone's ideas. Friendly good morning messages for friends. Isn't it a beautiful day today? Just like how sunshine brightens up our day, so do you. Hey bestie, wakey wakey. Rise and shine your way to an amazing day. It's time to seize the day and make it count. Good morning, friend. Ready to have some fun today? The morning is always brighter when I get to say hello to my best pal. Rise and shine, friend. Here's to another day filled with sunshine and laughter. Funny and playful good morning messages. How about we start this day off with a big ol' smile? Rise and shine. It's time to make today an awesome day. Good morning, starshine. The earth says hello. Good morning. Let's make it a great one. Good morning, gorgeous. Time to put on your superhero cape and save the day. Idiomatic and motivational morning expressions. You're up bright and early. Rise and grind. I'm sure you've got a busy day ahead of you. Look at what the cat dragged in. Ready to seize the day? It's game time. Let's make today count. It's the crack of dawn. What's shakin', bacon? That's it for today. Now you know many different ways to say good morning in English. Try using a new one each day and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you next time.